Okay, I'm driving the car. I never thought I'd do this. I think I'm doing pretty good. Gotta keep your eyes out. Gotta keep looking all around. Oh, can't reach the brake very easily. Ah! Oh, I scared myself. Okay, let's go down here. I'm doing pretty well, I think. Haven't killed anybody yet. Okay, pulling air. I'm gonna make a left turn. Left. That's right. Turn left. I want to turn left. Ah! Hey, where did you come from? Hi, Maddie. You do this pretty well. They're gonna take your license. Oh, gotta back up. Okay, let's go back the other way, okay? Just driving around town here. I don't even have my permit yet. I think I'm doing pretty good, actually. Maybe I'll try parking now. Oh, this wheel was hard to turn. Huh. There you go. See, kids, driving a car isn't that difficult. So, when your parents aren't looking, no, you better ask them first. That's a bad idea. You better ask them first before you take the keys and just go out for a joyride around your community. So remember that important safety tip, and we'll see you next time on Learning to Drive with Mr. Monkey. Bye-bye, and be careful.